talking about some similarities and some differences between plants and animals. For instance, plants carry out photosynthesis and cellular respiration, where animals only have respiration. We've been talking about how both plants and animals have organ systems that help them move the products of respiration and photosynthesis to where they need to go. Now, I'm going to tell you that there are some organ systems that animals have that plants don't. And that's part of what makes animals so special. For instance, you don't generally see plants being as animated as an animal. And that's because of an interaction of three very special organ systems. Now, the first one I'm going to mention to you are the muscles. And you think muscles when you think movement. So, yeah, see Mr. Stinson's awesome guns. So muscles are special organs that are all tied together in an organ system that move different parts of the body from place to place. And so that's how large things like us, things that are bigger than single cells, can move around. Now, plants have different and slower methods of moving that we will get into, but plants do not have muscles. Now, muscles need instructions. They need to be told what to do. And so the system that's going to tell them what to do is called the nervous system. And the thing that is the center of the animal nervous system is hopefully what you're using to process and think about what I'm saying right now is the brain. The brain is the center of the nervous system. And the nervous system extends from the brain and interacts with every cell in your body to relay the instructions of the brain. So when I move my arm out like this, my muscles are getting an instruction from my nervous system, from my brain, so my arm follows my directions. There's one more system that's involved here that's giving these muscles something hard and rigid to pull on, so I'm not just floating around like a jellyfish, because jellyfish don't have this system, you see. And that is the skeletal system. See, animals, unlike plants, have some kind of rigid, hard shell, either a shell on the outside like a bug, or something on the inside, a skeleton like we have. Some hard part of the body that the muscles can pull on and move from place to place. So in order to walk across the room, you have no fewer than 3 body systems interacting. Your nervous system to give the instructions, the muscles to make the movement, and the bones to be that rigid skeleton to pull on. So nervous system, muscular system, and skeletal system.